me introduce ICT Selective Wave Soldering machine for you. This is a customized machine for the Japan customer, which is modular design, simple and tool-free maintenance, which can help customers reduce their maintenance costs. Okay, firstly, I will introduce you the transmission system. The transmission system is with a lower transmission, which can compete with the chain transmission system, the traditional, and it can avoid the PCB jam. This is the lower transmission system, PCB side and top clamping system will help to ensure the PCB stability. The accuracy is 0.01 millimeter of the soldering and spooling. Next will be the spooling system. This is the motor. The motor is Japanese blind signal. Here is the high frequency pulse jet value, which is the core component of the selective wave soldering machine. It can precise control of the flux consumption by software and easy operate. Also, this is expectorate with tray under the driver wheel for easy maintenance. This XY axis adapts Panasonic servo motor and ensure the precisely control. Okay, now let me introduce the soldering system. The most important is our electromagnetic pump. This one, Germany plant. It's tool-free maintenance, and so that it can also reduce the maintenance costs. Also, the nitrogen with heating function, so that we can have a better preheating performance before soldering. And also, this is also equipped with solar vision camera, high vision camera. Here we have the nitrogen digital monitoring. This one is the wave height inspection system. The wave height control adapts Eaton inventor can control precisely soldering. The wave height auto inspection and calibration make sure the repeat soldering quality is with Germany laser sensor compared with the traditional touch sensor, which is more precisely. This one is the nozzle auto cleaning system, which can increase the production efficiency. The soldering pump is also modular mode and is easily maintained. The top of the soldering pump is with the manual feeding system, and no need to take out of the solder pump. The nozzle model varies different from 3 to 20 millimeter and satisfied with various different kinds of products. Okay, let's see the electric box. Here is the PLC. The PLC is bus control system, which is stable, efficiency, and easy operate. Here is the main valve power supplier, which is produced by the Taiwanese, and you can also choose own brand. Here is the Schneider electric relay, and the most important is the Panasonic servo and motor. Here is the step driver, USA step driver. We equipped with a Cat6 cable network. It is faster communication speed. That's all.